Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Kali Linux and Tails OS. Kali Linux and Tails OS are both privacy-focused Linux distributions, but they serve completely different purposes and are built for very different types of users. Kali Linux is a powerful operating system used mainly for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity research. It comes with hundreds of built-in tools that are designed to find and exploit security weaknesses in systems, networks, and websites. It's used by security experts, ethical hackers, and advanced users who understand how to use these tools safely and legally. Kali is not made for everyday use or privacy. It's a toolkit for offensive security tasks and digital forensics. Tails OS, on the other hand, is designed purely for privacy, anonymity, and security. It runs directly from a USB stick and doesn't leave any trace on the computer once you shut it down. It routes all your internet traffic to the Tor network, making it extremely difficult to trace your identity or location. Tails also includes secure tools like encrypted email, secure chat, and file encryption. It's ideal for journalists, activists, or anyone who needs to protect their identity online. However, it's not meant for hacking or running heavy software. So overall, Kali Linux is best if you want to test security systems or learn ethical hacking. Tails OS is best if you want a strong privacy, anonymity, and don't want to leave any digital. If you're cool security research or pen testing, cool with Kali. Tails OS is better if you want a strong privacy, anonymity, and don't want to leave any digital traces. If you're cool in security research or pen testing, cool with Kali. If you're cool in staying anonymous online and protecting your identity, Tails is the better choice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.